That means you're not taking. You're not fully taking that. Look at that camera and tell him, you're not put on a ring. You take.
Yeah, we don't put on a ring as it.
Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah, that means when you're ready to score it.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know?
Mm.
Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food. Hey, Paris.
Wagwan.
What we there? Saint Mary we there. Saint Mary we say. Whether that Saint Mary, see Uncle Murphy there?
Down at Granny Yard.
Yeah, down on Mama. Yeah, Uncle Murphy.
Give thanks, you know?
Yeah. So guess what? We're going to flip the camera and show them we can rain come and Saint Mary today.
Every time.
So we run a Mama backyard. See Dad, we out there so here is rain fall. Rain will come and Saint Mary and the breadfruit them, yeah. Oh, Paris, yeah, the breadfruit, them, everything, they all welcome this weather here today. So, I'm there around a Mama backyard. I don't know, some of their country from time to time, I deal with things, but I don't know say certain things. I'm not ready to put on the cameras yet, so they're right here, so. And all of that we run here, so. And all of that, go on little things, that stir. So we just came here today now. And the rain fall, yeah. You don't know what country we there can't hear the cut them. Hey, you see how the look here, look on I could have just zoom up and show them the whole brush of them. Yeah man. Things are going. See show them are going, eh? Yeah, pan this right here, so. Parry, you know see breadfruit when all them start ready up, you know. And this is just like one little teeny tree. Just a little teeny tree. The littlest baby can pick a breadfruit here. Smallest baby can come and catch. All Nene, Kiminis can pick breadfruit. All over just breadfruit. Thank God for the rain. So, here is my mango. Where that give me there? Me, how about the sweetie come brush me?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so me get one sweetie come brush me. So you got mango bush and the rain. Right time to go back a mango bush, you know? When the rain don't fall, I right time to go back a mango bush. Oh yeah, me don't like it thunder neither. Terence. Go for close them there. Then little apple up on the tree. I go want some of them little apple. I go get it, but
But then can't pick neither.
look at no there, no look boy. The rain do me all clean justice, yeah.
Pretty one up inside.
Yeah, some apple up there. Oh, but they not them not big, but how I gonna help me? And if ears will help me. All the pear them a come up, you know, see. But yeah, so slippery, you know, Alan.
Take your time. Yeah, man, it's a big pear.
So lift me up, no boy. A joke.
Big pear, did it? Yeah, man, it's a big size.
How big pear no did they eat there?
Not the way they see it.
Mommy not see them, then drop off a land.
No, man, look through it.
The rain here now? Yeah, the rain here now I go. Yeah, Alan, see breadfruit here show me like a bee sting now, you know.
Like a bee sting?
How about that?
It's not bee sting, auntie. I'm right, you ready?
But when drop off from up this island, that's not good. How far vehicle that I come there? Oh.
You know, see the one cut there?
Yeah, man, them man. Yeah, yeah. How are they name, Alan? What? His mother Brownie and he went for Jackie her daughter. Hi Jack. Hi Brownie. Why are you doing that on camera, Jackie? Jackie, why are you doing that on my camera, ma'am? I look confused, cutie. But you and your daughter look this see. Wow, what you want? What? So she tapping us, so you tired Alan pan piece of stick? What happened? Nah. Lord Jackie, she does. Who? Who is who? What him did that chap? So who send him over there for brush you? Every time you see me, I cry. Why? I saw them little. I know Alan go at them there. I know Alan go at them here. I know how far go at them here. I feel go at them, Chani. Oh. 1 and 2 little one up in there. You never see them, Uncle Murphy?
I see it.
Yes.
I said, wait up, wait up.
So we are there, you never see them? Papa God. See them up there red. Hey Murphy, if then it get rain, you know. They would be so big. Our ear is there. Ear is gone. See Uncle Murphy, come here. Go up here them. See up here them. You see this all this way go up? Let me see something. Yeah, holy papier look like a lima got tear down too. Yeah, me I try zoom, but Christ. So Parry, me and Alan there. We are do Alan, me hungry.
Yeah, I look for some.
I look a bit of vinegar for trouble. I want lime the mackerel catch my hand. We had fixed up the mackerel, but the mackerel are not ready.
So some vinegar pan.
Little bit, not put no whole. Put a more man and then cut up 1 onion. Put a more land. With the palm of my veranda Parry, we look a little cold snack.
Quick eat, you know?
Yeah, a little quick eat. Alan want something to cover it. Me, you go rinse off the onion with tight pipe this so. Cover it, man. And Alan, kitty puss out that door look teeth like what? Alan, see your puss there, and if you ever make your puss come in here. Don't come in here because she smell the mackerel. Don't come in here. Everywhere pull up in a disarray Parry because all the things are going up on mama, yeah. All the passing things are going up on mama, yeah. Kitty puss. Wanna see her? Kitty puss. What? Hey, kitty puss. And the mackerel she smell, you know. You're knocking at them kind of sitting there. Yeah, but she lucky. Me want some of my mackerel and bird there now. Alan, if you don't care, 112 for come wipe off the table. The table so dirty. Lord God. Yeah. Alan, I want it. I want it. Me can't see you. Me can't I pussy attack?
No.
Why God? The mackerel what she smell? She smell the mackerel. She better go Alan. Oh, we'll get ice water. I get that. If you just give me a Pepsi. Want some water? I don't care no what me have water. Me drink the hot Coca-Cola and give me mackerel and the bread. More enough pepper on my own. You know on a plate? Eh? Kitty, hey, Alan, let me tell you something with you, Kitty. I'm going to dust out your Kitty in a boy. I'm going to tell you. Give me end part of bread, Alan. Yeah, I like the end. You put enough pepper, Alan, for the mackerel?
So where two little mini one ready there?
Why, I don't know, me all of a sudden, I see them.
Not put enough to mess up the table.
Oh, God.
All of a sudden,
How take them away?
I know who take them away.
Yeah?
Somebody take them away, man.
Yeah, man, somebody take them away.
Like you mean take them for themselves?
Yeah, they not tell say, man, I look for them and I say, go for your baby, then can't come. No, you know, me can't.
Then can't come.
Me can't see them come. That's somebody else pass and
Must wait. You have to wait, ma'am. You hear me? Where your baby them there?
Here, go.
Come for your sandwich. Cold tin mackerel sandwich party. Everywhere in this area, no other can get to go now with us rain fall. I will the mama veranda, yeah. You can't do no cooking. Are you moving in, Debbie? Uncle Murphy, am I moving in up, Mama? What do you think?
Okay.
Debbie, are you moving in? What is happening? Tell me, Parry, tell me. Yeah, Alan, don't make the mango tree they start beer right there, so you have to chop it down. We don't want to see the till it a beer mango, you see? Yeah. And if it start beer mango, they say you're not going in a piece here, you know.
You have to limb them before you get tired. Clum them and then go.
Kitty post.
No go time again.
Alan, I eat a sard, a mackerel and bird. Alan, see people ever see it, you know.
Yeah.
Alan, not even care.
The mackerel and bread, man, eat up here.
Them little food that we are give pussy, you know, Alan, you have to get some 2 slices of bread, mix it up with some mackerel left and give the kitty puss. Shouldn't have belly no full. That me I tell you. So Paris, the Uncle Murphy, what are we? The sun come back out like no rain, no in fall.
It's a place that have to try quick.
Dry up. But did that one here look like a big door? Cause the other one that never did so big. The box right here. So, oh, big. You have to be careful now with that bulb here when time we are thing there. The bulb, we have to probably screw out the bulb and do what we are do.
Yeah.
I'm not showing in Alan house though. I'm not so rude fish for them. When I did Alan, you're going to give them a tour of your house. Eh? You give them a tour of the Rastaman house one idea. When he set up these tent.
Maybe I don't think them
Oh, and that time you give them the tour. So when you give them that tour, then you really indirectly are inviting the ladies. Them. But you tell the people them say, you take, eh?
Here says the bedroom, and the kitchen, and the kayak.
Sorry, the Alan. If you give them tour your house and you tell them you take now ready.
You take now, Alan? I'm going to put on a ring.
That means you're not taking. You're not fully taking. Look at that camera and tell them, Alan, you're not put on a ring. You take.
Yeah, we don't put on a ring as it.
Oh, where say Alan? Tell them where say. So you're not taking away. Wow. The workman them a leak. So tell them now, Alan, because
yeah. I don't make no vow as it. So I don't take in.
You don't take it. No, sir, yeah, so mix up.